Can it see my face? Okay. Hello and welcome to this video. I have been building this truck here. It's not set. It's well, it was inspired by an old instruction booklet that used to belong to my parents. And I had a look at it, and on the back it had some cool trucks, so I thought I'd have a go at recreating the one that I believe, if I go and get it, it said, it looks a bit different, but it is, that's what it is. It's the Road King Super Rig thing. Yeah, it's an old booklet, but so I'm just going to show you it. So that's the front view. That's the side view. Well, the left side, my left anyway. That's the rear. So it's got all the pipe work on the standard normal lorry, and I just put a little parcel in there. I love the parcels. And we took pride in making the bumper bit and having a special attachment. I might build a trailer, it depends. Depends if I can fit it in. And then this is the other side. Just need to get this bonnet right because it's a bit flimsy at times. And that's the front. And then this is the bottom because I had to do a lot of attaching things together to make it stable, and then I added all the detail like that, the bars along here, and the special window because I didn't think it looked right with just one window, so I put a double window on top, which I thought looked quite cool. So yeah, that's my lorry, and I'm gonna see you for another video very soon. So bye.